Hi everyone, I'm Sherida, and I want to talk to you about mindset. And that is, how do we keep our brains focused on what matters? And what matters is the positive things, not the negative thing. You see, we tend to have negative thoughts going through our minds on a regular basis, telling us we can't do something, telling us we're not good enough, telling us all the worst possible, worst case scenarios as an option. How many of you do that? Yeah. Go ahead, raise your hand. I know you do. Most people do. And they're such counterproductive. It's not helpful to anyone. In fact, most of the time, people spend so much time worrying about what they can't change, what they were never meant to change, what even if they tried their damnedest to effect, they would have no effect or impact on, because it's not within their control. But you know what they don't spend enough time on? What they can control, and that's their own thoughts. So I want to help you. I want you guys to learn how to think positively, because when you think positively, positive things can happen. When you think negatively, most likely that will come true as well. Okay? So why would you do that to yourself? It doesn't make any sense. Do not make things harder for yourself in life. Think positively. So I know you're out there going, okay, lady, that sounds all great, but how in the world do I do that? Well, a little trick called challenging negative thoughts. What I want you to do, when you find yourself stuck in such a situation, when you are frustrated, when anxiety mounts, when things get under pressure, okay? I want you to take out those negative thoughts that are going through your mind, telling you you can't do something, telling you that it's impossible, telling you all of the horrible things. And I want you to pull those negative thoughts out, and I want you to examine them. I want you to try to prove them true. You heard me right. I want you to try to prove them true. And what you're going to find is most of the time you can't do that. Then, when you find they're not true, when you find they're not accurate, I want you to replace them with positive thoughts, with what your wishes are, with what your dreams are, with what your hopes are, and all the skills that you have to reach those goals. That is what you replace in your mind. That is what you keep there. And that is what you use to motivate you. Guys, nice talking to you. Again, I'm Sherida. Have any questions? Want to work with me? Look me up.